Living with ADHD can sometimes feel like living inside a whirlwind. Thoughts race, energy surges, distractions pull you in every direction, and finding a sense of calm can feel nearly impossible. Yet, even within the busy, restless energy of an ADHD mind, there is a deep reservoir of peace. The challenge is learning how to access it. Meditation is often suggested as a tool for calm and focus, but many people with ADHD find traditional approaches intimidating or frustrating. Sitting perfectly still, trying to empty the mind, or focusing on one single thing for long stretches may feel like an impossible task. The good news is, meditation doesn't have to look that way. This simple calm mind meditation is designed specifically for people with ADHD. It's gentle, flexible, and forgiving. Instead of fighting the natural energy of your mind, it works with it. Instead of demanding stillness, it invites comfort. Instead of forcing silence, it welcomes movement of thought and simply creates a space of calm awareness within it. By practicing this meditation regularly, even for just a few minutes at a time, you'll gradually train your nervous system to settle more easily. You'll begin to notice more moments of clarity, better focus, and a growing ability to pause before reacting. Before diving into the meditation itself, it's helpful to understand why it can be so powerful for people with ADHD. ADHD isn't a lack of attention. It's a difficulty with regulating attention. Your brain wants to take in everything, everywhere, all at once. Meditation doesn't try to erase that. Instead, it gives the brain a safe structure for attention. Here's why meditation can help. Regulates the nervous system. Meditation calms the fight or flight response, helping reduce restlessness and stress. Trains gentle focus. It's like exercising a muscle. With time, it becomes easier to direct your attention where you want it. Encourages self-compassion. ADHD often comes with self-criticism. Meditation invites kindness toward yourself. Builds a pause button. Instead of reacting instantly, meditation helps you create space to choose how to respond. Supports emotional balance. By noticing feelings without judgment, you can process emotions without being swept away by them. The beauty of meditation is that you don't need to do it perfectly to benefit. Even short, imperfect moments of mindfulness add up over time. Before we begin, let's talk about creating the right environment. Comfort first. You don't need to sit cross-legged on the floor. Find a chair, sofa, or even lie down if that's better. Reduce distractions. Silence notifications if you can. But if background sounds remain, let them simply become part of the meditation. Set a timer. For ADHD brains, time can slip away. Setting a gentle timer, 5 to 15 minutes, allows you to relax without worrying. Permission to move. If you feel the urge to fidget, shift, or stretch, that's okay. Movement can be part of the practice. Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is calm presence, even in small moments. This meditation is written in a way you can read, record, or listen to. Take it slowly, pause often, and allow yourself to soften into each step. Step 1. Arrival. Take a moment now to settle into a comfortable position. You might be sitting, lying down, or leaning back against something supportive. Allow your hands to rest gently in your lap or at your sides. Take a deep breath in through the nose, and slowly let it out through the mouth. Again, breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air, and breathe out, letting the tension leave your body. With each exhale, let your body soften just a little more. Step 2. Gentle awareness. Begin to notice how your body feels right now. Are your shoulders tense? Is your jaw tight? Is there restlessness in your legs or arms? Whatever you notice, simply acknowledge it. There's nothing to fix. You might even say silently to yourself, "It's okay that I feel this way." Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment, just as you are. Step 3. Anchoring the mind. For the ADHD mind, an anchor is essential. It's a place to return to when thoughts start to scatter. Your first anchor is the breath. Notice the air moving in and out. You don't need to change it, just watch it. If focusing on breath feels hard, you can choose another anchor. The feeling of your hands resting on your lap. The sound of gentle background noise. A word or phrase like calm or peace. Choose whichever anchor feels easiest and let it hold your attention. Step 4. The wandering mind. Inevitably, your mind will wander. You'll think about a conversation, a task, a memory, or even about whether you're doing this right. That's okay. Wandering is normal. When you notice it, simply acknowledge it, thinking. And then, gently guide your focus back to your anchor, your breath, your hands, your word. Think of it like training a puppy. You don't scold, you just guide back with patience and kindness. Every time you bring your attention back, you're strengthening your ability to focus. Step 5. Soothing restlessness. If you feel the urge to move, fidget, or shift, go ahead. Notice the movement, the sensation in your body, and then return to your anchor. For ADHD, allowing small movements can actually make meditation easier. You're not failing the meditation by moving, you're adapting it to your nervous system. Step 6. Expanding calm. Now, once you feel a little more anchored, imagine calmness spreading gently through your body. Picture it like warm sunlight touching the top of your head, flowing down into your face and shoulders, spreading through your chest, arms, and hands. softening your belly and back, flowing into your legs, all the way down to your toes. With each breath, let this calm feeling expand just a little more. Step 7. A gentle mantra. To help keep focus, silently repeat a calming phrase with each breath. On the inhale, I breathe in calm. On the exhale, I let go of stress. If your mind wanders, simply return to this mantra and your breath. Step 8. Rest in the calm. Take a few moments now to simply rest in this calm space you've created. There's no need to do anything. No need to control anything. Just breathe. Just be. Even if your thoughts keep moving, notice the quiet underneath them. Like clouds drifting across the sky, your thoughts pass by, but the sky of your mind remains open and calm. Step 9. Returning gently. When you're ready to end, take a slow, deep breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your body gently. Before opening your eyes, pause and notice how you feel. Even a small shift toward calm is success. Carry this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day. With practice, you may begin to experience greater ability to pause before reacting, more focus during tasks, lower levels of anxiety and stress, a sense of self-acceptance and patience, better sleep and energy regulation. Even if you don't notice immediate results, trust that each session is planting seeds of calm in your nervous system. Meditation for ADHD is not about becoming perfectly still or endlessly focused. It's about learning to work with your mind, not against it. It's about finding peace within the flow of thoughts, instead of trying to force them to stop. With each practice, no matter how short or imperfect, you're strengthening your ability to return to calm. You're giving yourself the gift of space, gentleness, and self-acceptance. Remember, every breath is a new beginning.